reason it's all about thriving and not surviving, the reason is because once anybody is psychologically shifted into survivor mode, the person will be running their life with the wrong energy. If you don't like where you're going or where that is taking you, people have to arrive at a new decision. It's a decision. You have to actually choose. If your car is making noise and your dashboard is showing red instead of green, don't keep driving. Don't keep driving. Stop. Ask what's going on. People have to actually prioritize their own emotional well-being. People do not truly understand the power of emotions, what they mean, and how emotions power life. The basic dictionary, right, definition for emotions is energy in motion. Energy, E, motion, E, motion. But what does that mean? What does energy in motion? What does it mean? At the core, at the center of it is how energy in your system is moved around and how energy is consumed, how it is used, and how it is expressed inside you. The less information people have about emotions, the more chaos they will find in their life. You may not have control over what's going on externally, but how you conclude, your perception, your conclusions, your decisions about your observations is how you're going to store memory inside you. And what you choose to store will affect you. Your power starts with choosing wisely the meaning you're giving life, internally and externally, because that meaning will drive your reality. The story you tell and your conclusions about what's happening is what will control your life. What you create inside yourself, the story you tell about things you cannot control, things you cannot handle, things you cannot change, that is within your control. And that's where the power is, the choice, right? The choice, the power of choice. Emotions power the body. Energy in motion powers the body. You have the power to adjust it, to reprogram yourself. And that's what this program is about. You can reprogram yourself to be more productive, to be more creative, to be more joyful, to be more happy. You are not your emotions. You are not your feelings. However, your emotions and feelings will drive the health of your body. Emotions and feelings give you a clue to the thoughts and stories that is hijacking your energy and what it's using, what is being produced in your life. The longer people go without taking care of what their energy is producing within them, the longer it is going to, right, create a lot of dysregulation. Many things can be avoided when people understand their own human design. Learn how to deeply care for yourself at the place where nobody can see. When we say spiritual awakening, is no longer to live your life to chance, but to wake up and take the responsibility. Parents can train their children to become like them, not just with words, but with what they are emitting. Emotions will power you into success. You don't do the right thing, it can make people really, really feel physical pain. You can't control other people, but surely you can wake up and brush your teeth and shower with soap. The word of God can wash you clean. But it is a practice, it is a discipline, and it is a skill. The power to choose, the power to assess. We are designed to think, to process, to be in control. Fear creates hastiness. The concept of fear is created from a nervous system that has been hijacked to be afraid. The more information you have at your disposal, the less fear you will have. The self is supposed to rise from the abyss and gain power, not just to be equal, but to gain domination, to gain authority back over your heart, your mind, your body. You are not your feelings, you are not your emotions, but you are to command yourself. Decide if you want to be happy. Decide if you want to be rich. Decide, because those decisions ought to influence how you govern your life. It takes courage and power to face negative thoughts inside you.
It does.
Yeah, people want to be in denial. They want to escape. Emotion is a planning process. It releases permission to your body to do certain things. So nobody goes out and just does anything anyhow. The natural state of the body is to sleep and just be pleasured. If you don't discipline your mind, discipline your body, the body does not produce, is not optimized. If you don't discipline your body, your body is not the producer. You are the producer. And to retrain yourself from producing anxiety is a real skill. You have to remove the vibration. You have to change how you think. And now you also have to, your biology, you have to rewire your biology for peace. If there's any message, calm down. Where are you rushing to?